If there's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone.
What up? It's your girl Tiffany, and I am back with another freaking video. So if you guys did not watch the last video, go check out the video right now. But anyways, I am getting my husband back today after the last prank that he did on me, the dog food prank. That was disgusting. But anyways, this prank is gonna be perfect because like I'm not actually feeling good right now. We got a Christmas party turned up a little bit too much, and he already know that I'm not feeling good. So I thought, let me prank him today. Let me do the fake blood prank on him. I'm gonna be coughing up blood. But yeah, this is going to be very interesting and crazy. So I'm excited for it. I feel like it's gonna be believable because I don't feel good already. So once he see the fake blood, he's just gonna be looking like, what the heck, like what's going on? So I can't wait to do this. Right now he is at the store getting some stuff, so I'm gonna get ready, like set the camera up. I gotta find somewhere. I'm gonna do it actually in the bathroom, so I'm gonna find somewhere to hide the camera in here so he won't see it. And I'm gonna be like coughing up blood in the sink, and it's just gonna be so freaking funny. So guys, stay tuned. You don't want to miss this video. And Team Tiff, comment that down below. Team Tiff all day, every day. Like, he's never gonna get one over on me. Like, I'm gonna always come back harder. So remember that, babe. I'm always gonna come back harder. So guys, stay tuned. Diamond. Can you please come here? Can you please come here?
You good? Is that blood?
I just start coughing up blood.
You okay? Why are you coughing up blood? Are you straining?
I don't know, just my stomach hasn't been feeling good. Well, I'm over here helping Diamond with stuff. I don't know.
Is that juice? Did you drink that red last night? Shouldn't eat that red?
Oh God, my head hurts so bad. A little bit.
What?
I don't know where it's coming from.
Let me get you some water.
Oh my God, ew, it's so bad, babe.
Oh, let me get you some water. Were you going on regular stuff or just blood?
I just felt like nauseous and just thought I had to throw up, but I don't know. Do you think that's blood?
I can't tell. Cause it looked bright, but it looked like blood. It looked like blood, but it looked like a juice though. Look how pink it is.
How could it be juice, dude?
Yeah. You didn't have anything red last night, did you?
It tastes like blood.
Tastes like blood?
Is it good to cough up blood?
Not really.
Let me go to the hospital.
I just don't want it to be exaggerated by nobody, so I'm gonna look up myself.
What are you looking up?
Let me call my mom. Chill out, calm down. I'm looking up you coughing up blood. What do you mean?
You think I drunk too much?
Probably so. Hello. Okay, here I come. I'm checking on TV. She's in her throwing up, but she like she's throwing up some blood with it too. So I was trying to see what that was about. Yeah.
Who's that, babe? He's believing it right now. I'm sorry, it looks a mess right now. I think he's believing it, so we'll keep it going. Babe!
Erica said that's normal.
This much?
Yeah, she said because your body is forcing you to throw up.
We're gonna
I'm
believe
double
her.
check with my mom.
Erica's not a doctor.
Okay, I'm gonna double check with my mom.
Hey, babe. Can you come here? Look, just come here, look. Look. Here's a prank. Got him.
What was it you spit out?
It was fake blood.
I slapped it.
Oh man, yeah, I got him. Oh my gosh.
Where did you get the blood from?
Don't worry about all it.
But you do still got a hangover from last night, though.
I mean, yeah, so it was just perfect to prank you. Like,
Man, if that was a prank, that was okay on a prank.
I know, but still, but did I get you though?
You did get me though. I thought
Okay, so you just
throwing
took
up.
an L. So look at this camera. No, real quick though. I want you to look into this camera and say, my wife just got me good.
My wife got me with this prank.
So did you just take an L?
I was about.
Are you admitting you took an L?
It wasn't a capital case L. It was a lowercase L.
No, but still, it doesn't matter. Did you believe it? It's
I
all
believe
that
it. 'Cause I was
matters.
about to call my mama and her mama to see why she was puking up blood. Because it's not normal, but if you're straining, you know what I mean, you could throw up some blood a little bit.
Dang.
It was a concern.
But you know what?
You did it in the worst way though. You did it when I was distracted. I just came from the grocery store, y'all. We got 3 flights of steps to walk up, y'all. I'm coming to her, checking on her, getting my kids their food. You got me. Ooh.
Oh man,
I'm so like
your reaction, I thought you was going like seeing blood. I honestly thought that it was like you would like be tripping out.
Well, my first step was to get you some water, and come back and check on you and try to see if I can get you some food in your system or something like that. If not, we're gonna go to urgent care, ladies. You got me.
I got you though.
You got me.
I just took a W and you just took a L. Hey,
Just get ready, cause I'm coming back with another. I'm coming back with another.
Alright guys, so yes, I just got him back for doing a dog food prank on me. So, you know, make sure you guys like and subscribe to our channel. We got more pranks coming up, guys. Yeah, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe, guys. What do you gotta say? Any last words?
As usual, I'll be coming back with another one, guys. I'm one of those guys that kind of creeps up on you, you know what I mean? But she did get me with this prank. Wasn't expecting it at all.
I originally was supposed to do it at the sink, but I couldn't find a good camera angle.
It's noon right now, y'all, and she got pranks coming this early. All right, so I guess you can never expect anything, right? You know, it comes at the drop of a dime. I'll be ready next time.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video.
We don't play around.
Make it plain.